What's happening, cats? Welcome to part 2 of the Live Forever guitar solo, note for note plus some variations, and we're still in standard tuning, so once in tune, we'll see you for the first lick of the third phrase. See you then. Alright then, so phrase 3, we're going to start on the 12th fret that we landed on coming out of phrase 2. We're going to hit that note 5 times. That sounds like this. 3, 4. And what we want to try to do is get as much controlled vibrato on that note as possible. Alright, so once you played that, then we've got quite a flashy lick coming up. Then it starts on the 17th fret on your B string. So what you're going to do is go 17 and then pull off to 15. The middle finger is going to grab 16. Your next finger is going to go back to 15. You're going to slide back to 13. Middle finger is then going to grab 14 on your G. Then your next finger is going to go back on to 13, but this time flatten it, but then do another slide, but this time from 13 to 12. Now because you flatten your finger, you now have access to the G note above. Okay, so that sounds like this. Once you've hit that note, hammer on to the 14th fret. Land with your finger flat. Then you're going to hit 14 on the D. And then you're going to grab the 12th fret on your G. Okay, so now let's add a note on the 14th fret, followed by a note on the 12th. Okay, and then the last couple of notes. So now we're going to put the fast lick together from the 17th fret on your B string. Slowly. So here we go. 3, 4. Right, now you're going to grab 14th fret on your G. You're going to bend it twice. Then execute hammer on and pull off from 12 to 14 on your G. Then grab the 14th fret on your D string. Next up, we're going to play a hammer on from 12 to 14 on your A. Same again on your D string. And then you're going to grab the 12th fret G. Right, so slowly up to that point, phrase number 3 sounds like this. 3, 4. Okay, now you're going to repeat those bends on the 14th fret. Pull off 14 to 12. 14 on your D. And then hit 12 on your G. Okay, one more bend on the 14th fret. Little finger is going to grab 15 on your B. And then hit 12 on your E. Okay, so that last bar sounds like this. Right, so good luck with phrase number 3. I'll see you in a second for the final part. Okay, so moving on to phrase number 4, it very much starts the same as phrase number 3. So what I'm going to do is play up to the point in which it changes. So, starting from that 12th fret on your E string, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So what we're going to do, the hammer on the A and the D, we're going to repeat that a further 2 times, and each time when we land on the 12th fret on your G, we're going to play that note twice. Okay, so firstly hit your note on the 12th fret again. Now repeat the hammer on the A string, hammer on your D, then grab the 12th fret twice, repeat that. Alright, so let's put those 3 licks together. It's all the same. Let's just put it in context. So 3, 4. final part of the solo involves 2 bends on your 14th fret. You're then going to execute a hammer on and pull off from the 12th fret to the 14th fret on the G. Then grab the 14th fret on your D. And then finally hit the 12th fret twice. And that's the last bar of the solo. So let's put the whole of phrase 4 together. Here we go, after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the Live Forever guitar tutorial complete. Parts 1 and 2 done. I really hope you've got something out of this one. I had really good fun putting this together. Live Forever is definitely one of my favourite Oasis songs, so I really hope that you enjoy it. Now please subscribe, check my channel out, it really does help me. If you like what I do, bash that button and ring that bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Cheers!